project are defined in the test plan strategy, and the resources used, for example, the hardware and the software, manpower, they are also identified in testing strategy. ये जो स्लाइड है ये आपको टेस्टिंग स्ट्रेटजी के बारे में एक ब्रीफ ओवरव्यू दे रही है, जिसमें द थिंग्स विच आर कंसिडर्ड फॉर लेट्स start from the application. So quality of the software, nature of the system, and acquisition strategy will be considered or included. The test environment is also included in defining of testing strategy. The alpha or the beta test जो कि हम बात कर चुके हैं, the development lab and usability lab and the model office. What will be the environment in which the testing activity will be performed actually. Test requirements, for example, the accuracy and the stability and the completeness, बहुत सारी requirements हो सकती हैं, जिस तरह से हमने बहुत सारी classes of the test में देखी. Review strategy, whether it is inspection or walkthroughs or desk checks. Similarly, the resources available or resources needed in the terms of money, people, skills and the time. Similarly, test objectives जो हैं वो demonstrate usability. Similarly, checking of interfaces and prevention of the defects and the coverage, and the test tools. So whether we are going to automate the test or not, and if we are automating the test, what kind of the tool will be used, and risks which are impending, impact of the failure and likelihood of the failure. So possibility or the probability of the failure. So these all things will be included in formulating the test strategy. नेक्स्ट पे टेस्ट एनवायरनमेंट है, इसको भी हम एक डायग्राम के थ्रू ही देखते हैं. टेस्ट एनवायरनमेंट लिस्ट्स एक्चुअली द हार्डवेयर एंड द सॉफ्टवेयर कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस required to perform tests. It determines the type of help required from other departments to support the environment test, and typically in the test environment the personnel which are users or developers or operators or testers, they are or observers, they are involved. Similarly, the supplies, for example, the budgets and the forms and the badges and the forms and the paper. Software under test, operating systems and cohabiting software हैं, और test data and test procedures which will be involved in this test environment. Documentation, for example, the requirement documentation, design documentation and operations related documentation and user documentation. Internal and external interface and the communication resources, for example, authorization and the protocols and the gateways and the connections, or hardware in the sense of platforms and scanners or modems, some kind of the hardware which are involved, which will be required in the testing procedure. Building a test environment, और फैसिलिटीज़ जो हैं उनमें लोकेशन एंड स्पेस एंड द सिक्योरिटी, द लेवल ऑफ सिक्योरिटी विच विल बी रिक्वायर्ड टू परफॉर्म अ टेस्ट मोर कॉम्पिटिटिवली. तो ये तो जनाब टेस्ट एनवायरनमेंट है, जिसमें डिफरेंट किस्म की जो रिसोर्सेज हैं उनको हमने जिक्र किया. स्केजुअल जो है नेक्स्ट उसी टेस्ट प्लानिंग की तरफ, नेक्स्ट जो एक्टिविटी है या सब एक्टिविटी है, दैट इज़ द ओवरऑल टेस्ट स्केजुअल इज़ आइडेंटिफाइड इन द टेस्ट project plan, indicating the start date and the end date of the test activities. However, a detailed schedule of the testing should be developed during test planning process, showing the start date and the end date for example, start date and the end date of the development of the test plan. Similarly, the start and the end date of designing the test cases, start and the end date of executing the test cases, and the problem reporting, start date and the end date, and finally developing the test summary report. So these dates, the starting dates and the ending dates will be included for these different aspects of the test. इसके बाद जनाब कंट्रोल प्रोसीजर्स जो हैं, this section of the test planning has detailed